In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stamp in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed a quick way to mark a PDF as approved, request a signature, or add a clear status label, stamps are perfect. They're built in, easy to find, and instantly recognizable on the page. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and the PDF you want to mark. Once you're in, look toward the left-hand side of your workspace. You'll find your tools there, and among them is the option to add a stamp. The button may be labeled Stamp or Add a Stamp, and it typically uses a small rubber stamp icon. Interfaces can vary slightly between versions, but the name and icon are consistent, so it's easy to spot. Go ahead and click the Stamp option. This opens a panel of stamp categories. You'll see several groups, and the three most useful ones for many workflows are Dynamic, Sign Here, and Standard Business. Dynamic stamps automatically add context like the current date and time, which makes them great for time-sensitive reviews or checkpoints without any extra typing. Sign Here stamps are designed to guide someone to a specific action. Look for arrows and labels that point out exactly where a person should sign or initial. Standard Business includes common labels such as approved, draft, confidential, and more. Ideal for clearly signaling the status of a document. Choose the stamp that fits your purpose. As soon as you select it, your cursor will change to carry the stamp preview. Move your cursor to the spot on the page where you want it and click once to place it. If you're navigating a longer PDF, feel free to scroll to the correct page before clicking. After placing the stamp, adjust its position so it sits exactly where you need it. Simply click and drag the stamp to move it. Most stamps also show handles around the edges, which let you resize or rotate, so the label is clear but not overwhelming. Try to avoid covering critical text. A corner or margin is often a good choice unless the stamp needs to sit near a signature line. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, locate the stamp tool on the left, choose from Dynamic, Sign Here, or Standard Business. Place the stamp with a click and drag to fine-tune the placement. Stamps are a fast, consistent way to communicate status and next steps right on the page, and once you've used them a couple of times, they'll become second nature in your Acrobat workflow.